Hello, my name is Okpara Ijezie Kingsley. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, 10 Starship. Okay, today I quickly want to discuss 7 federal government loans, grant and empowerment that can change your life or financial status in 2022. Let me go again. 7 federal government loans, grant and empowerment that can change your financial status in 2022. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. It's very important to me. Now the first one is called GIPP loan. Some people call it the GIPP loan. GIPP 2.0 loan. GIPP or GIPP loan 2. That is GIPP 2.0 loan. Okay, now the full meaning of this loan is Government Enterprise and Empowerment Program. This loan is designed in such a way that you can obtain from 50,000 to 300,000 naira. Okay, now to obtain this loan or to get this loan, you need to go walk down to your local government secretariat. Okay, that is local government office, and ask for this particular loan. That's make inquiries about it, or you can go to fmhds.gov.ng. just log into fmhds.gov.ng. okay, now another thing is that this loan is made up of three segments, that is had 3 more loans under it. Now the first one is called market money. To apply for market money, all you need to do is use market money, that is market moni.com.ng. market money, that is market moni.com.ng. okay, that's all you need to do. I don't know if I should, let me burden the website so that you can see it. Market money, okay, that is it. Okay, marketmoney.com.ng. now let's take a look at the next one. The next one is trader money. Okay, trader money. Now to get this one, all you need to log in to boi.ng/market boi.ng/market-reg. okay, that's all you need do. Please bear in mind that this loan is disbursed through Bank of Industry. Another one is farmer money. Okay, this particular loan is usually given to farmers to buy farm equipment. Now take a look at the features of all of that. Is these 3 loans. One is that they are all non-interest loan. Okay, that means you're not going to be paying any interest, but it might attract 5% what service, but it's non-interest. All of them non-interest. Now the repayment period is between 6 to 12 months. That means you have about 6 to 12 months to repay. Another thing is that this loan is mainly for Nigerians. Okay, then the fourth one is that it's for people between the ages of 18 to 55. okay, it's for people between the ages of. Then the next one is Bank of Industry loan. This particular one, you can access up to 5 million naira and above. 5 million naira and above. This loan, anybody can access it. That is if you have the requirement. So let's take a look at the requirements. First, it says your business must be registered with Corporate Affairs Commission. But please, before that, take a look here. The website to apply for this is apply.boi.ng. apply.boi.ng. That's apply.boi.ng. So one of the first conditions is that your business must be registered with Corporate Affairs Commission. Okay, to do that, you just go to csc.gov.ng. csc.gov.ng. To register your business, if you can register it yourself, for enterprise, you shouldn't go around 10,000 to 11,000. It's not more than 11,000. Okay, that is if you know how to do it yourself. But if you go through an agent, it's about 20. Like here, we do it 20,000 naira. Okay, now the next one is that you must have a verifiable security. When we talk about security, is another term for collateral. So you must have a verifiable collateral. Okay, and then the next one is 5% interest per annum. This is very wonderful. 5% interest per annum. That's, you're going to be paying 5% interest annually. Okay, annually. Let's just assume maybe you borrowed like 1 million. 1 million, the 5% should be about 50,000. So you'll be paying 50,000. Okay, just 5%. Just, you can calculate it depending on how much you are borrowing. Now the next one is Nigeria Content Development and Monitoring Board. Some people are not really familiar with this, and now look at how much you can access. 10 million US dollars is real. I don't share fake information. Okay, I don't share fake information. It's real, but you must be able to meet up with the stringent conditions attached to it. Now this loan scheme covers for manufacturing, asset acquisition loan, contract finance, community contract, the finance scheme, and then loan refinancing. Okay, to apply for this loan, you just hit this link here. Okay, ncifportal.boi.ng/ncif/public. Okay, and then there is something you need to know. When you go to that website, you will be asked to get your NCDF remittance ID. To get that ID, please go to ncdmb.gov/ncdf payment account. Okay, then do some registration, and you'll be able to get your NCDF remittance ID. Okay, let us take a look again at the features. Just interest is about 5% annually. Repayment period is 5 years. That means you have 5 years to repay this loan. You shouldn't go. Then the next one is SMEDAN, but this one's about 3. SMEDAN grant, we talk about SMEDAN grant, SMEDAN free certificate, and SMEDAN loan. SMEDAN grant, SMEDAN free certificate, and SMEDAN loan. To register for SMEDAN grant is very simple. You just use your phone, dial *6555#. Dial *655#. Okay, that's all. Okay, and then follow the instructions, input some required details, you are good to go. Okay, then the next one is to register your business with SMEDAN and obtain this particular certificate. Take a look at this certificate. Okay, this is the kind of certificate you'll be getting, and it takes about 2 or 3 minutes to get the certificate. Once you register, just the next thing, they'll send your certificate to your email. You can then print it out. Then to do this, you just go to smedanregister.ng. smedanregister.ng. Now the next one is SMEDAN loan. This one, I want to show us something. This one, SMEDAN loan, is you can obtain from 2 to 5 million. But something happened. Please let me show you something. I just noticed that some states have also been added. Before it was just 4 states. Now take a look here. If you must be in Adamawa, okay, Bauchi, Katsina, Kogi, Nasarawa, Gombe, Jigawa, Niger. But please bear in mind, let me go again. Adamawa, Bauchi, Katsina, Kogi, Nasarawa, Gombe, Jigawa, Niger. This they just started with this state. Before it was 4, but the last time I checked, I just saw that they added more states. Okay, so if you are in this state, you can apply for this loan. You can apply for it and then get up to from 2 to 5 million. But take a look at this loan. There's something I just want us to know. This loan emanated from SMEDAN, but because SMEDAN is not a financial agency, disbursement is done through Jais Bank. Jais Bank operates Islamic and tenet method. Okay, everything is based on Islamic principles. Now, what the condition is this? One of the conditions is that your business must be registered with Corporate Affairs Commission. Your business must be registered with Corporate Affairs Commission. Okay, I think I've said that. And then the next one is you must have this free SMEDAN certificate. You can acquire this free. I've told you that. Go to smedanregister.ng. That's where to get the certificate free of what? Charge. Okay, take a look. That's the certificate here. That's how your certificate will look like. And then bear in mind that you'll be charged 10,000 naira for using simplified credit. Simplified credit is actually a kind of automated business platform. Is a platform where you submit your business plan in automated way. So it helps you generate a business plan that is good, that can generate you money, that can get you this loan. Okay, now the next one is, I think I've said it, but I'll just show you the state, so there's no need displaying the state again. Now, please, if you are applying for this loan, bear in mind that you should use a desktop. You should use a laptop or a computer. But if you're using your phone, try and change it. Try and change it to desktop mode. Desktop mode. Can you see that? Desktop mode, please. Try and put it in desktop mode, otherwise it won't go. Okay. Now we have said it already that you can access up to 2 million. Okay, and to 5 million. That is minimum of 2 million and the maximum of 5 million. Moratorium is 6 months. That's the grace period. The moratorium means that is the number of months you would have to use this money before paying back. Okay, before repaying. So you would have to use it for 6 months before paying back. Okay, 6 good months. Then start paying back your money, the money you borrowed. Okay, now the next one is repayment period is just 2 years. 2 years, and then interest is 1 digit. Interest is 1 digit. This 1 digit can mean anything. It can be 9%, it can be 2, it can be 1, it can be anything, just from 1 to 9. So the next one is okay, to register for this loan, please, you just go to smedan.gov.ng. okay, smedan.gov.ng, or if you want to access it directly, you can. Let me highlight this website. Let me embody it. Okay, can you see it? This is the direct link. But if you go to smedan.gov.ng, just go to merchant funds, and that's where you'll be getting all the information you need. The next one is Presidential Youth Empowerment Scheme. Empowerment Scheme. There is a temporary suspension on this one, as I'm just doing this video now, but it will still come back. Okay, now this federal government empowerment program is aimed at reducing poverty in the country. To apply for it, please, I have seen many fake websites. This is the original website. Take a look at it. I believe you can see it. Okay, I've made it so bold so that anybody can see it. Okay, please don't use any other website. So these scammers, they're online faking, creating their own site. please, this is the only website to apply for PS program. Okay, and then the next one is National Directorate of Employment, NDA. Okay, the NDA empowerment programs enable trainees to be trained and equipped with different motorized skills. After the training, what happens? After the training, okay, after the training, the trainees will be given some cash and equipment, relating to the field of skills acquired. Okay, so that is it. But to apply, you just go to nde.gov.ng. The training is free. nde.gov.ng, nde.gov.ng. And then the last one, please don't rush this. The last one is NG Cares. I've talked about it on Facebook, different social platforms. That is, please take a look at this. This particular loan / grant is coming from World Bank. Okay, or in affiliation with the federal government of Nigeria, but the disbursement is done via state government, particularly State Ministry of Trade and Commerce. Okay, now the federal government website for this is ngcares.gov.ng. Though application is not done on this site, but you can get more information from this site. Okay, nevertheless, there are links for where you can use to apply for this NG Cares, okay, in 36 states of Nigeria, including Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Okay, take a look at these blue links here. You can still call me maybe to get them. 0060777979. Okay, or chat me up on WhatsApp. Okay, then take a look at them. Okay, but please, if you applied for this program via all these online, try and go to any of their physical offices and collect a form and fill. I know why. Don't rely on just this online application. No. Now take a look at some of the centers. Okay, not all the states in Nigeria been able to commence this registration as NG Cares, but take a look. This one is their state office in Ebonyi. Okay, state office in Ebonyi. And where are you going to locate that? It says Staff Development Center, Piri Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. The number to even contact is also here. Okay, Staff Development Center, Piri, I hope that's the pronunciation, the Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. Now, if you are in Lagos, you go to Lagos State Employment Trust Fund. Lagos State Employment Trust Fund. Okay, it says 16 billion ways, Oregon, Ikeja. And then the next one is Abia State. This is my own state. I've collected my own form, so you just go there. Where do you go to? Investment House. Investment House, opposite, that is adjacent to State Secretariat Complex, Umuahia, okay, in Abia State. Then the next one is for Imo State. In Imo State, just go down to Government House over here. Okay, if you're in Akwa Ibom, you go to Ministry of Economic Development, and then get your, take a look here. There's the address. Then if you're in Nasarawa State, you just go to Nasarawa State Community and Social Development Agency. Okay, Makodi Road, Nasara Housing Estate, Lafia. Okay. Then the next one is Kogi State. You can take a look here. It says Kogi Enterprise Development Agency. Under that, Delta State. You can see it here. That is the address. Then the next one is Jigawa State. Okay. Then the next one is Anambra State. I'm trying to save time. The next one is Anambra State. Okay. Please, if you are not subscribed to this video, kindly subscribe. I'm releasing another video. And that video is 10 businesses you can run without any investment, without any capital. That's with zero capital. 10 businesses you can run without any investment. That you don't need to, whether you have money, you don't need to have money to do these businesses. So subscribe, comment, like, and share. God bless you. My name remains Obara Ejzie Kingsley. I love you.